Tashi Dile, and wishing you all a very happy Losar. On this auspicious occasion of Losar, I extend my warm greetings to all the Buddhist people living in the Himalayan region and to the Tibetans residing all around the world. May this Losar of 2152, the year of wood serpent, bring you joy, prosperity, good health, and cheerful life. May it bring you and your loved ones a year filled with abundance of positive energy, peace, happiness, and success. May it usher in you a renewed wave of strength and wisdom to open up new opportunities in your life. Let us start this Losar with our sincere prayers for the good health and long life of the embodiment of compassion and the apostle of world peace, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. Tashi Dile, and wishing you all a very happy Losar once again.